This is a day in the life of HR with AI. This is Peoplelogic Nova, and today I want help analyzing some survey results. We just ran our annual engagement survey, and I need some insights fast. Lexi's come back. She wants the files to analyze, so I'm going to go ahead and upload those. And Lexi's come back with an overall summary of our strengths, pain points, and themes from comments. So she's letting me know a picture of employee engagement and satisfaction, and that it's a mixed picture. So we're talking about employee alignment with the company mission, work-life balance, specifically in the IT department, and then motivation and product management. But there's confidence in senior leadership that's lacking, and there's value and recognition perception issues. And then there's work-life balance in sales and some dissatisfaction there. And those are echoed in those overall themes from comments. So help me formulate some goals to address work-life balance. So I have this high-level summary that I can provide to my manager, and I want to dig in deeper. And so Lexi's going to help me do that, probably with the assistance of Omar, and they're going to tell me more about these work-life balance challenges and what the survey results are telling me. To address work-life balance, they're setting some achievable goals, so implementing those flexible work schedules and encouraging the use of PTO and breaks, promoting remote work options. All of these are different strategies to increase that employee work-life balance and well-being. So I can formulate some goals from there, but let's take a look at PTO policies. So I want to create a PTO policy. And this will give me a third piece that I can go to my manager on. It's something that we've been discussing previously, and now our survey results actually reinforce the need for a PTO policy. So Omar's going to ask for a little bit more information around the accrual rate, maximum accrual usage guidelines, needing additional details, nothing specific. And so I'm going to see what Omar comes back with, but I can always provide additional context and detail if I want to. Here's our PTO policy. I'm going to download that and we'll open it up. We'll see a purpose for the PTO policy. We'll also see a scope, and then it'll talk about accrual and usage and carryover. I didn't provide it any of this context, but it's always helpful to include more, and then you can always edit down as you see fit. I appreciate it calls out the role and responsibilities of employees and supervisors in the HR department. And then finally, we have enforcement exceptions and the acknowledgement. So I now have a high-level analysis of my survey results. I have some specific goals and focus areas around work-life balance challenges, and I have a draft PTO policy all within a matter of minutes. Stay tuned for part 2 of my day.